Hey you guys, I'm back with another hair video. Okay, so today I got this 13 by 6 HD or transparent. I'm not sure which one it is. It looked like it's transparent, but it kind of like it's HD. I don't know. So I have this HD or transparent lace frontal wig. I think this is 24 inches body wave from Westkiss hair. I'm about to bleach it. I got everything prepped and ready right here. Here's the box that it came in. It really didn't come with nothing but a silk bag and some lashes and some other stuff, but I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna be using 30 volume developer and my B2 right here. So we about to, bleach the knots. I'm not gonna show that process because it's a long process and I just ain't got time to be, recording trying to bleach some knots. So I might just say that for another video. I'm just let it sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna crimp this hair because I know the body wave is cute and all, but your girl be wanting some crimps with a bust down middle part. So this is what we about to be doing. And this is 250 density. So yeah. So this how it came out. I bleached the knots. I plucked it. Y'all, I'm still learning how to pluck, so don't come for me. If y'all got any tips on how I should pluck my hair, leave comments down below, and I read them so I can learn how to pluck just a little more. So this is the hair pre-washed and everything. Okay, so your girl about to slay this wig, even though it ain't plucked right. But hey, this is my ball cap, y'all. This is the ball cap that I had before. I ain't feel like doing a new ball cap method, so I just kept my ball cap on. But my hairstylist did my hair, so don't come for me either. And y'all, this is the wig right here. It's crimped. I let it sit overnight, so that's why the crimp like it don't feel a little bit. But that's cool though, okay? It's super, super cool. So as y'all saw the clips before, I had already glued the hair down. Now I'm just making sure my baby hairs is okay. I cut the lace and everything. So cute. So like I said, if y'all got any questions about this hair, let me know in the comments down below. Or y'all can check out my Instagram and DM me on Instagram if y'all got any questions about the hair. Okay, and y'all can check out the description box. All the details about the hair is in the description box down below. So now I just cut my baby hair, get it to my liking. Y'all know how it goes. Now I'm finna tie it up so my baby hair can sit in place, so they won't be all over the place, so they can mold and all that extra good stuff. Y'all know how it goes. This just, if y'all know how to do hair, I'm pretty sure everybody know how to do hair. I'm pretty sure everybody know how to tie their hair up. That's basically what I'm doing, just tie my edges up. You guys, so this is the finished look from Westkiss hair. Y'all, I crimped this hair, I plucked it, I did everything. I did everything and it came out super, super, super beautiful. So all the details about this hair will be in the description box down below. Y'all, it is so cute. I just feel like the 250 density, like, that's what really set it off, because like, it's beautiful. I just love thick, pretty hair. And by them sending over this 250 density, I just feel like it did the thing, like, no lie. So all details about the hair gonna be down below in the description box. So make sure y'all check out Westkiss hair. Make sure y'all follow me on the gram so y'all can see how I took pictures with this hair. How it just, you know, just got the job done. Okay, so here, this is how it look up close. Y'all look at that lace. The lace is, baby, I don't even know what to say. I just know that lace is beautiful. Okay, y'all, this is probably the best I ever done my hair. Look at that, pretty, not even lying. So make sure y'all check out Westkiss hair. Like I said, I'm gonna put in the description box. If y'all got any questions, comment down below. Comment, let me know on Instagram if y'all got any questions. And let's go wrap up this video.